Hey guys, welcome to Math for Kids by a Kid. Today we are going to focus on prime factorizations of composite numbers. A composite number is a whole number with more than two factors. An example of this is 27. We already know that 1 times 27 equals 27. We can also call this a factor pair. But this is a composite number, so there needs to be another factor pair here. In this case, it's only one more factor pair, and that is 9 times 3 equals 27. So this is another factor pair. So the numbers that I just circled here are the factors of 27. So I'll list them out from least to greatest. So it's 1, 3, 9, and 27. So the number 27 has 4 factors. Prime factorization refers to the expression of a composite number as a product of prime factors. And before I draw a diagram here, I need to explain what a prime number is. Prime number is a number with only 2 factors. And those 2 factors are 1 and itself. So I'll show you an example here. 3. 1 times 3 equals 3, and that is it. So it's only this. So the only factors of 3 are 1 and 3, the number itself. So it is a prime number. So now you know about prime numbers, so let's focus on prime factorization right now. So what we need to do in a tree diagram is we need to keep breaking down the numbers until all of the numbers are prime. So we know that the number 2 is prime because the only factors of it are 1 and 2. 24, on the other hand, has several factor pairs. And again, we can use any of them in this case. So let's use 2 and 12 here. We end up with 2 again, but 12 has many factor pairs. And in this case, I'm just going to keep using 2, but you can use the other factor pairs if you'd like. Either way works. We end up with 2 again, and 6 has a factor pair other than 1 and 6, which is 2 and 3. So we know that 2 is prime and 3 is prime because, as I said before in the example, the only factors of it are 1 and 3. And so we are done our prime factorization. So we have 4 2's and 1 3. So this is what it looks like. So there's actually a simpler way of writing this. You know 2 is being multiplied 4 times, so you can actually use an exponent to represent this. So we can say 2 to the power of 4 times 3. And both of these ways are correct, but the second way is just easier to write it. So this is the prime factorization of 48. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon.